This is going to be a video tutorial on how to show or hide the bookmarks bar in the Opera web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera web browser opened up now. If you look up top here, you can see I have my bookmarks bars displayed on my browser. But to hide it or show it, it's very easy to do. There's more than one way to do it. The way that I'm going to show you, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Show Bookmarks Bar. As you can see, mine is toggled on. I'm going to click on the toggle to turn it off. Now as you can see, my bookmarks bar has disappeared. Now to bring it back, I'm going to click the toggle again. Now my bookmarks bar has reappeared. That is how to show or hide the bookmarks bar in the Opera web browser. Thanks for watching.